What's up, guys? Welcome back to Moto Therapy. If you're new here, smash that like button and subscribe for new videos every day. Today's video is brought to you by our sponsor, XZATO, the marketplace and community app built for car, bike, and truck people. Post photos and videos, buy, sell, bid, and link up at real car meets near you. Download XZATO or hit xzato.com in the link in our description.
What the f? This came off. Now I gotta stop. They're gonna be like, you got a weapon? Alright. These things keep breaking on me. What the? It really broke. Really? This thing really broke. Wow, it's really broke and I didn't even do anything. There, just gotta stay like that for now. It's all Gucci.
Parked. You can fight it. That's
bro, my bike is on and I'm not parked.
I have no problem. I can side it.
No, you can't. No, you can't. I'm not parked. I'm not parked. Alright, let's stay here. Let's stay here. Let's stay here all day, bro. You're the one. I'm not working. I'll stay here for 2 hours.
Okay, hey.
Me too.
Okay, then we'll get okay.
Me too. I'm not parked.
Okay, cool, man. Let's go.
But I'm not parked. I already heard and I talked to parking cops. They already told me if my key's the ignition and I'm on the vehicle, you can't give me a ticket.
Explain to you.
Explain to me what?
The vehicle is 18.
That is, but I'm not parked. That doesn't mean anything.
I can cite it.
But I'm not. Do you hear me?
You can fight it.
I'm not parked.
If you win, I have no problem.
I'm not
with
parked
it.
though.
You win.
I'm not. But I got you. But look, bro, I got your whole office.
That's fine.
Bro, great, but I'm not gonna get no ticket. I don't care. I don't care, but I'm not parked though. I'm not parked. Bro, stop talking to me. I don't even care. You're not a cop. You're not a cop. Bro, you're not a cop. Get away. I don't even have to talk to you, bro. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me, bro. What? Hey, get away from me, bro. Exactly, bro. You don't like that, do you? You're not a cop. Get out of here. Give him my phone too, bro. Hey, now I can park there. Now I can park there. Give me my phone, bro.
Give me your phone, man.
This is really mentally disabled. Like, I'm calling on him and sending him this video. He's really mentally disabled. Like, is he serious? I'm not even parked, bro. Here's a problem. And it's a better example because mine's low. Damn, you wanna get some fat panda, bro? Oh my gosh. And we're going left, turn around. We're Panda behind us. Hey, it feel better with the stabilizer, right?
So I'm gonna have to cite you for unsafe lane change. No, I'm just kidding. The cameras are all pointed weird on the top of your unit.
They don't work right now.
Like on purpose? Like they don't work? They what?
It's kind of like a legal thing right now that they're trying to work out.
I don't know about you, but a camera reading a license plate has no racial or any kind of discriminatory thing, right?
Stolen cars, it's stolen cars.
If it's stolen, it's stolen, right?
No matter what who's driving or what's in it.
I hope you get some of your rights as cops back in California.
We'll see. I mean, it goes through waves, man. So
Yeah.
we just gotta ride it out and do the right thing. You know?
Right. Hey, bro, well, you be safe, all right? Thanks.
Well, where are you riding to today?
Well, I stay in Irvine. I came down Dana Point, show my friends some of my surfing videos.
Nice. Surfing videos?
Huh?
Did you say surfing?
Yeah, actually got one on my phone.
Nice.
Videos
like you make or videos of you surfing?
Both.
Both.
Well, like I make of me surfing.
Oh, nice. Like GoPro
Yeah.
stuff?
Yeah.
Sweet.
But
I love to surf.
yeah, you do?
That's why I work here. I get to be close to the ocean.
But there's plenty of people who hate the ocean that live here for some god awful reason.
I mean, if they can give their house to me, that'd be great.
How's it going, brother, man?
Good. How you doing?
I'm good, man, dude. You the first brother I seen in Santa Ana. I didn't know they had any cops like that. You know what I'm saying?
Few and far in between.
Right.
Yeah. How's it going today?
It's going good. How about yourself?
Not bad, man.
I'm just out here doing a little bit of door dashing.
Okay. Right
Yeah.
on. Oh, you got your food there?
Yeah, I got a little my hot box here, but also got my lights on there, my flashlight, because I always run into crashes and stuff, dude.
Be safe out here.
Hey, thanks. You too,
All
bro.
right. All right. Have a good weekend.
You too.
All right, brother.
What the fuck? What the fuck did I do?
License, registration for Benz Shark.
Can I ask why I got
Your
pulled?
license is expired.
Huh?
Your license is expired.
My license?
Yeah. Is it your bike?
Yeah.
Then it's your license.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, registration. Oh, okay.
Is it?
Yeah. Well, I didn't even notice it.
How long does it expire for?
Here's everything.
Let me just check everything else, alright? So just
Okay.
you got your license in there? When did it expire?
Let me just check.
Let's go. Alright, just hold on a second. Let me just check it.
Alright, cool. Damn, I didn't even know fucking license expired. Expired. Oh shit. In June. Okay.
hope he's gonna be cool about it.
Get that taken care of, all right?
And that's a wrap on this one. If you enjoyed today's video, smash that like button, hit subscribe so you never miss a daily drop, and if you want to rep the moto lifestyle, head over to mototherapy.shop and cop some fire merch to support us. We appreciate every single one of you. And until next time.